This tutorial review will show you how to set full photo in color screen in any iPhone. So first of all, open your Photos app and open the specific photo. Then zoom the photo and make it full screen. Once done, take a screenshot. Now tap on the screenshot. Tap on Save to Photos. Once you saved the screenshot, now open the screenshot and then tap on the share button at the bottom left corner. Scroll up here and tap on Assign to Contact. And now all you have to do is just select the contact. Tap on Choose. Tap on Update. Then when you get a call from the contact, you will see the full photo in color screen. So that's it for now. If you find this video helpful, make sure to subscribe Tutorial River. See you in the next video.